Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your member card on the Accor ALL application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home page button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then go to the top of the page and click on this classic member button at the top below the search bar. Here you can see your classic member card with your QR code and reward points at the top. If you would like to, you can add it to your Apple Wallet by tapping on the Add to Apple Wallet button down below. Here you can check out your card and then click on the Add button to add it to the Apple Wallet. As you can see down below, your loyalty card has been added to your wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.